From the beginning of my education to the college days, I have won numerous prizes from college level to the national level. So I have bagged good prizes in many different ways, many different types of competitions. So I have won prizes in paper presentation, debates, quiz competitions, coding, hackathons. So whatever that I can, so I participated and I won many prizes. So why I'm telling this? So many people will only tell you the other side of winning, that is losing and failing. So it's okay to take that up to the certain level. But what if it goes into your head and if you not focus on winning anymore? So it's okay to fail, you will learn some lessons. But what if you keep continuously failing? Then it's a problem that you need to rethink again. So in this video, I'm going to give you how you can actually adopt the winning mindset and how that winning mindset helped me to go more and more and win more and more. So like from the initial days of my school or college or whatever it might be, I love participating in competitions, I love hosting various things, I love winning prizes. So over 70% of the time that I participated in an event, I won a prize. So I didn't even remember the number of prizes that I got. This is not a complete show off. Of course you can call it a show off, but yes, this mindset really helped me a lot. So many like will not expose themselves easily. So I even saw that in my environment, that where I came from. So people who won something will not dare to expose that in public because they might feel that like people will think it as a show off. But there is no problem in showing off what you deserve. And yes, that mindset helped me a lot in bagging so many prizes. So I didn't concentrate on a particular genre. So even though I'm a computer science student in my college, I didn't only won prizes in coding. So I also even won prizes in paper presentations, debates, youth parliament kind of sessions, quiz competitions, hackathons, so come public speaking competitions, so even the academic topper kind of thing. So I have won almost prizes in whatever the competitions that I participated in. I won prizes. So this really makes me try and find out different things. So because I came from a normal college, I came from a normal school, I came from a small town, but still I managed to cope up with multiple things. I managed to handle multiple things simultaneously in a very effective way. The only reason is I know how to adapt the winning mindset. So even though like I'm ready to lose anything and I'm ready to win at any cost, so it's a mindset that you need to adopt. Not only losing every single time. So if you're losing 2 to 3 times, then try to win at least for the fourth time. So even though if you fail to win the fourth time, then you're not trying. So but you have an excuse. You can say like failure is something where you can explain it as first attempt in learning. That's okay, the certain level. But what if you keeps failing all the time? Then it's a problem that you need to think of. That winning mindset, you will not get that winning mindset. So if you fail one time, so try to find out the mistakes, to try to take a paper or try to take a note of what are the mistakes that you have done so far, or what are the mistakes that led you to fail. Or like if someone wins in that particular competition and if you fail in that, so try to notice the points that what the winner uses in order to win that. So then you will get to know what are the things that you lack in, and ultimately you can focus on managing those things effectively, improving those skills effectively. Then ultimately you will win in the second or third time. So it's how competition works, it is how competitions will be conducted, and it is how you need to be with a competitive mindset. So it's not that winning prizes will makes you great, but that mindset you will get will helps you in doing multiple things. And really that mindset helped me a lot in handling multiple things simultaneously and going out of the box. So even though people will like laugh at me and people will criticize me all the time for doing new things which is not traditional, I mean during the environment that I came from, still I managed to cope up with multiple things. So I can say like I'm not that much successful in my life so far, but still I'm happy enough that like I love doing whatever the things that I'm taking. So it's the mindset that people need to adopt, and that winning mindset will only come from trying and finding out your mistakes. That's it. That is the thing that I want to explain through this video. Thank you for watching this video.